today's chief guest, Aslam Pasha sir, and our honorary secretary, Dr. Manandi N. Suresh, and dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and my dear players, and also the principals of 16 colleges who are encouraging to take part in volleyball. I've seen most of the colleges supporting cricket and supporting other activities, but they won't support for volleyball, throwball, kho in a greater extent as the support is required for the cricket.
I'm so happy. As you know that in Bangalore, Karnataka, I'm also very much fond of game of volleyball. Volleyball is such a wonderful game where I have played in my childhood. Even today I play in my academy. You know, the Jaina Stadium, we have physical and sports academy, especially for the game of volleyball. It's an indoor stadium. Many my boys I can see, they are all played in our academy. Anyway, I request that all you boys, you talk to your management, you talk to your principals, you said, sir, we'll also one tournament. You really, now in college one tournament, mana, ella nim friends ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ತಾ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೋ ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. One thing I tell you, sports is a culture, sports is an attitude, sports what not. I'm a being a sportsman. Like you say, sports is the only way to lead a healthy life. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೋ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರಿರಬೇಕು.
My dear students and players, gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you for this VET Premier League Intercollegiate Volleyball Boys Tournament 2024. In fact, in our institution, we give more prominence to sports.